Mama wakwaba meeting ede adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel me notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuafo Ghana fo bi na no wa komadwen ede akere abrante Sammy Gyamfi a oye communication officer say director no NDC fo na officer no NDC formal communication officer and Ghana fo bi akikomadwen abobbo madwen ho de akere no obo ekere say Sammy Gyamfi oye too arrogant sometimes okasa brafem and ye nipa na oye politics ekere ye no nsemu nsem bia na wudi ya sise wontumi ko Peace FM enkonko di djuma wo ho no ebusuafo nsem we na Ghana fo bi aka ede akere Sammy Gyamfi na ebusuafo nsem no emu enkyeremu ni Sammy Gyamfi eko Asempa FM na one obi afternoon show no nya Sammy Gyamfi conversation or kasa and obeka say Vice President Dr. Bawumia eye liar oyo kushini ebinsi da lanu na obi ekere say Sammy Gyamfi betimi akasa bia but nsembo wa wokan enye Vice President Dr. Bawumia eye liar say mana on kasa nene busuafo de Sammy Gyamfi patre wo show ne so no enya sam kutu akra
made my point. I don't think I am cool with you referring to it.
But I'm not here to talk about things that you are cool about. I am saying that the Vice President.
This is my program.
No.
With the greatest respect to you.
This is your program. This is your program.
Don't refer to the Vice President as a pathetic liar.
I will refer to him like that over 10 times. It's an yes argument, because the more you do that, the more I will say more. Because, no, Obi.
Sammy, you would listen to me.
No.
Sammy, listen to me.
No.
Listen to me.
Wakasa, I have listened to you. If you will allow me to make my point, allow me to make my point.
Agree with the Vice President. Yes. Don't call him a pathetic liar.
I will
on
call
the platform.
Obi Troye. Answer my questions too. Wakasa omusi habo wokepkosa na wanka. Say it here. Since this is your platform. When you bring us here, Obi, credit us with some respect. And yesterday, you are defending the Vice President. Sammy, you bring us here to speak our opinions. Sammy, my opinion is that the Vice President is a liar.
I am not defending the Vice
President. So why are you saying?
You will not even.
You are saying that you are saying that if the Vice President has lied, I shouldn't say it. Sammy, is it above reproach?
Hold on.
Why? Because you don't want us to criticize Bawumia.
Have I said
Bawumia didn't call President Mahama incompetent?
Have I said when criticize
President? Hold on. Bawumia unfair Mahama incompetent wonder.
Have I said don't criticize Bawumia?
That is what you are saying. You don't have to say that expressly.
Really?
You can't tell me not to call a man who lies a liar. What does that mean? What do you take us for? He called President Mahama incompetent one. And no, Obi Mamenka Masem and then some and Mame like and say program no. So that is who he is. And I have abused
this straight, sir. I allow you to talk. Anytime I think you say something, and I will come in. And let's have that ground truth.
You can come in, but when you come in, and it is about something, Amaka and Yano cry, fantastic. But
if I think you are using abusive language, I have the right to.
There is nothing abusive about the word liar.
Ebusuafo ye na yate ensema Sammy Gyamfi ede etudwa na Sammy Gyamfi ne kasa a oka na ye obi abufu no chese abrante Sammy yesterday yenti ensema nipa no eka ede ekere Sammy Gyamfi o chese Obi that boy Sammy Gyamfi is arrogant fool. Don't allow him to come to your show again like how Kwame Safa did to him. Inti ensem way enenipi aka ede ekere Sammy Gyamfi so ombra fem usa when you study, nano dende no fan ko bebia, ano dende mo fe win politics into your study.
Obia fan Google. Obia fan Google says here. All right. Zim lady, Osewa Regional Hospital, NDC. Ebeton ya no mu wie ye me pa cho ya no kre Mr. Mumusha page, you know, baby, I do know. I'm very serious now. Let's get it in. Obi man into Vim lady say, Wa regional hospital, a champ on my pensu, and he started Wa regional hospital. Abaya ko, ye. Utie. Ye. Now, Obia Nkobo, when was Wa Regional Hospital built? Ushemwa, Eurojet Group. Ye papa kufuwa kwa jiska se ye fenko wiye sa hospital no. Ye Eurojet full project, it is there. Osha, the first year bema Eurojet. George, no, I'm not wasting time on him. I'm wasting time on Vim lady. Ninsam na wakano na me pese meye. Afe ube say another article ebeba. And then say August 25th, 2019. 2 years after Nanado has been in power. Ghana president inaugurates 160 beds Wa Regional Hospital. Me patroma huana. Please, George, check it, and then minimum a Jumano. Please, according to Vim lady, Mahama Betun no Wiema Wafo. But according to figures, no Mahama free so now Wafo Nyamwaya the Sayan Kowa Pania Bakupo. Me patroma huana. Again, August 19, presidency. President Akufo-Addo commissions Upper West Regional Hospital 2 years after he came to power. Seriously. Me pacho obi ehun. Okay. Osan so can be say Bolgatanga Hospital. Yankwe. Me pacho Obiya Mobi, Mustafa Osman, big up yourself. Bolgatanga Hospital ya wahodada. And you see a re-establishment. Yanshe what the fact says. The hospital was established in 1946. The then Gold Coast. 18-year Mahama. And I best start to hospital with Bolgatanga, really Bolgatanga, and you're true. Please. Vim lady. So we be journalism, do honest journalism. Mahama is not coming nowhere. No amount of foolery is going to bring Mahama to power. It is never happening. Okay. Ebio. Tie. September 6. 2019, Muntie hospital na what Boriga na Vim lady say Mahama ye ho say brochira mom no mesrew enye no kure because say wo hwe we ya Ghana secures me pa chobo Bolgatanga na ebeba and I say opabo Ghana secures Saudi fund for Bolgatanga Regional Hospital. Also remove this boy's face from your screen. I know. It's because I'm dealing with him. That's why. And I'm using the video. Forgive me. Why? Facha me. Me pacho, ma find out here now. Vim lady, I want you to go on your laptop if your maid servants are watching. If you